Start by creating a new activity. Design using SmartChat. Click Create New Activity. Then, name your activity. Type in your activity purpose. Then, click References and Settings. Upload your reference document materials. And from here, the production assistant will take the lead. Production assistant streamlines storyline development and content instantly. Now, you're ready to preview your new assessment.
Excellent observation. You correctly identified the disconnect between verbal and nonverbal messages and suggested appropriate reflective techniques to address it.
Muzzy Lane, simplifying role-play assessments.